Ever wondered how to produce articles speedily and with style? Your solution is found in a revolutionary tool, AtOnce. Picture this: a programmatic SEO writer and AMP AI article that not only accelerates your work but also guarantees quality. It's a writing companion that enables you to generate hundreds of SEO-optimized articles all together. Intrigued? Let's delve deeper into the world of AtOnce. AtOnce is not merely a writing tool, but an AI-powered assistant that can generate articles at an astonishing speed and efficiency. It's like having a professional writer on standby, ready to craft an article at your command. What's more, AtOnce allows users to import their keywords, generate engaging content, and even publish it directly to a variety of platforms. This seamless integration takes the hassle out of content creation and publication, making AtOnce an indispensable tool for any content creator. Picture having access to an arsenal of over 70 uniquely designed templates to cater to all your writing needs. Whether it's for blog posts or product descriptions, AtOnce has got it all covered. But that's not even the best part. What sets AtOnce apart is that it is trained on an overwhelming corpus of over 1.7 billion SEO articles. This remarkable feat makes AtOnce the leading AI-driven writer in the SEO industry. Now all you need to do is pick your template and voila! You're geared up to create your masterpiece. Time is money, and AtOnce grasps that concept with precision. This tool enables you write 3 times faster than traditional methods, giving you the power to generate content for an unlimited number of sites without any extra charges. Not only does it save you significant amounts of time, but it also provides comprehensive support and a live chat feature with customers. This ensures that you're never alone in your writing endeavors. What truly distinguishes AtOnce from the crowd is its intensive training on over 1.7 billion SEO articles, not just for quantity, but quality and engagement. This positions it as the #1 AI writer for SEO. Picture wielding the ability to upload a list of keywords and produce not just any articles, but high-quality engaging content that captivates your audience, all within minutes. And the best part? Every piece of content created is SEO optimized. With AtOnce, you are not just generating content, you're crafting compelling stories. However, the benefits don't end there. Not only offers you the liberty to compose at any desired length, but also ensures that you are 100% original, brimming with keywords, and totally free from plagiarism. It has the ability to evade AI detectors, guaranteeing the uniqueness of your content. This lets you concentrate on the most crucial aspect: crafting content that genuinely connects with your audience. And the cherry on top? AtOnce only offers the option to download articles as a zip file or publish directly to various platforms such as WordPress, Webflow, and Shopify, but it also has the ability to add images to articles, bypass AI detectors, and even allows users to customize their word count. This means less time spent on mundane tasks and more time spent on growing your brand. If you're wondering about its credibility, AtOnce is used by over 15,763 SEO agencies, brands, and site owners. The praise for its ease of use, time-saving capabilities, and extensive customization options is overwhelming, with some users claiming it has saved them thousands on hiring writers. Consider this: a versatile tool that aids you in writing, guarantees your content is SEO optimized, innovative, and captivating. A tool offering support for more than 30 languages, providing cloud-based writing solutions, and granting you freedom to publish directly to a variety of platforms. A tool that conserves your time and resources, enabling you to concentrate on your prime expertise. That's the extraordinary capability of AtOnce. Why delay the inevitable? Tap into the power of change and revolutionize your content creation process with AtOnce. With the potential for significant cost savings, our platform is designed to boost your website traffic and expand your client base like never before. Don't just take our word for it. Our users are our biggest advocates. With countless testimonials praising its efficiency, AtOnce has helped them reshape the way they write content. Trust? That's something we've earned. We're proud to be the trusted choice for over 15,763 companies worldwide, and we're humbled by our rating of 4.9 stars. Try AtOnce today, and let your writing journey undergo a transformation that lasts forever.